Hello everyone, you are welcome back to my channel Silver Graphics. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to outline an image in Coreldraw. So stick with me while I walk you through this process. If this is your first time here, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Don't forget to turn on notification so you don't miss any of my tutorials. Let's get started. So this is the image we are going to be working on today. So if you can notice here that the background of this image have been removed. Now we want to duplicate this image. You can press Ctrl D on your keyboard, Ctrl D, or click on the image, hold your Ctrl, drag and right click. So you click on the image, hold your Ctrl, drag and right click. So you click on the image. Now let's go to Effects, Adjust, and we'll go to Brightness, Contrast, Intensity. The shortcut is Ctrl B. Click on it. Now give this -100, brightness -100, contrast, everything -100, and you click OK. Now we want to vectorize this image here on black. So you go to Trace Bitmap, Outline Trace, Clip Art, and we have this here. Right here in the options, you can tick the delete original image, remove background and specify color, and we can click OK. Now this image has been vectorized. Now we can now give it colors. So you can see we can give it any type of color we want. But right here we want to give it white because we want to give it a white outline for the image. We'll give it white. Now select the image and hold your shift, select the vectorized image, and once you do that, press C on your keyboard and press E. So we align them horizontally and vertically. Now we can select the image. You can select the image, or you select, or you hold your Alt and click to select the image, then Shift, page up to bring to the front. Now click on the image and position it properly on the vectorized image. So on the vectorized art, clip art you made, so you position it. Now once we do that, let me put this at the center. Now once we do that, you hold your Alt and you click on this to select the vectorized image. Now I want to give this an outline, so right here at the top, give it an outline of 2. So once we do that, you can notice this black outline, but we don't want to give it black, we want to give it white. So just right click on the color. If it is blue you want to give it, you right click on the color and give it. But right now I want to give it white, you right click on white to give it the white outline. So guys, if you can see this right now, we've just given this an outline, this image an outline. And we can select both and Ctrl G to group. You can see once you group them, you can group them as one. So right now guys, this is how to outline an image in Coreldraw. So we are here in Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop, using the same image we used in Coreldraw. I will show you how to add outline to this image using Adobe Photoshop. First thing first, let's add a background. So create a new layer and just use our paint bucket to fill this up. Now on the image layer, right click and go to blending options, and you tick the stroke, you click on it. Now right here you can see the size, position. You can position it outside and we have the color at white, and the size we can increase or reduce it. So you can give this color any color. So right here I'll just give it white and click OK. I will give the size at 5 and click OK. So everyone, this is how to add an outline to an image using Adobe Photoshop. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe, like, comment and share. I'll see you guys in the next video.